Hello and welcome to this video about Chat GPT. Chat GPT is a large language model developed by OpenAI, based on the GPT architecture. In this video, we'll explore what Chat GPT is, how it works, and what the future of this technology might look like. What is Chat GPT? Chat GPT is a language model that is designed to generate human-like responses to natural language inputs. It uses a deep learning algorithm to understand the context of the input and generate a response that is appropriate for the conversations. ChatGPT works by training on massive amounts of text data, such as books, articles, and websites. This training allows it to recognize patterns in language and generate responses that are similar to what a human might say in a similar situation. Once trained, ChatGPT can be used in a variety of applications, such as chatbots, virtual assistants, and customer service interactions. It can also be used to generate content for websites and social media. ChatGPT has a wide range of applications, from improving customer service interactions to automating content generation for websites and social media. It can also be used to create virtual assistants that can help with a variety of tasks, such as scheduling appointments and answering questions. One of the most exciting applications of ChatGPT is in language translation. By training on massive amounts of text data in multiple languages, ChatGPT could potentially be used to create real-time language translation software that could revolutionize the way we communicate with people around the world. While ChatGPT is a powerful tool, it is not without limitations. One of the biggest challenges with this technology is ensuring that the responses it generates are appropriate and not offensive or harmful in any way. There is also the risk of bias in the data that it is trained on, which could lead to biased respo conclusion. ChatGPT is an exciting technology that has the potential to revolutionize the way we communicate and interact with technology. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video has given you a better understanding of ChatGPT.